Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's boldest Ultra flagship yet, packed with next-gen display technology and premium refinements. Hey guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you're new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. The phone is expected to debut with Samsung's brand new M14 OLED panel featuring color on encapsulation, COE, making the screen brighter, thinner, and more energy efficient than ever before. With a redesigned camera housing for its powerful 200-megapixel main sensor, upgraded low-light performance, and a massive battery enhanced by faster 60-watt charging, the S26 Ultra aims to redefine productivity and photography in a sleeker, lighter design. Early update also hint at elegant shades like phantom black, silver, burgundy, gold, and dark blue, giving users a mix of classic and stylish color options. Launch is anticipated in 2026, and all signs point to Samsung raising the bar for Ultra smartphones once again. Further Flex Magic Pixel, Privacy Mode, which reduces visibility from side angles to protect on-screen content in public. The positioning of the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for professionals. Insiders suggest the introduction of a new Advanced Professional Video, APV codec, as an alternative to Apple's ProRes. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up as a display and video powerhouse, with a sharp focus on privacy and pro video features. But some compromises, like the possible telephoto downgrade, mean it's far from a done deal yet. The Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like it will be one of the strongest Ultra-class phones yet. Excellent display tech, better cameras result, faster charging, with improvements in design and privacy. The upgrades aren't massive game changers everywhere, but they polish what was already strong and fix many of the complaints about earlier models. If you're someone who uses your phone heavily for photography, media, and productivity, the S26 Ultra looks like it could be worth waiting for. So guys, this is the fresh news about new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching this video.